Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Andrew the plumber. Alright, so today, finally a nice sunny day after 3 days of crazy snowstorm. We got about 2 feet of snow. And of course, whenever there's crazy weather like this, there's always people with frozen pipes and broken boilers, because nobody wants to, swap out their boilers in the summertime or fall. Everybody waits till last minute when it breaks in the middle of the freeze up. So I'm going on a steam boiler replacement. It's a 2-family house with the steam boiler with the tankless coil, and it let go. It leaked, so it's like 17 degrees out. So I mean, I gave the guy best price. He was telling me, oh, can you do it for $2,000 less? I'm like, no, I can't. I'm sorry. I mean, the price, the parts went up 25%, and I never cut corners. Whenever I sign up for a boiler job, it's not just a job. It's always, there's always something. The callbacks, and I'm like, no, I cannot cut any corners. I'm doing it the way I always do it, the way I was taught, 20 years ago. And so I'm going there now. So wish me luck, and I'll keep you posted on how the job's going. Thanks. See you soon. All right, so here's the old clunker that's totally let go. It can't be saved. It's already too old, so we're cutting it out. And look right here, you can tell that it had an internal leak. So that boiler was toast. So right now we're cutting it out, and we're gonna remove the old boiler, order the new boiler, and get to work. So I'll see you soon. Hey folks, so here it is. After a couple of days of intense work and labor, we got the thing going. So here's the brand new steam boiler with a tankless coil for hot water. Brand new oil burner. We have to upgrade the oil line just to bring it up to code. We also install black iron pipe instead of copper. There's the Hartford loop.
Copper and steam don't mix.
Yeah, copper and steam don't mix. Here's an automatic water feeder, so the homeowner doesn't have to go and fill the water up all the time. And here by the tank we put the brand new filter, put a Garber filter. So the oil burner runs with no issues for a couple years, or at least a year, hopefully. So yeah, folks, if you need a plumber north of Boston, and need a plumber in a pinch, don't hesitate. Give me a call at 781-558-4680. And thank you for watching. God bless and stay safe.